What makes a trader successful? Is it a range of expensive trading tools? A big account? Financial background? Tips from famous trading coaches? Lots of free time? No. These are important characteristics, but they are not what really makes it or breaks it in the Forex world. Ready to know the truth? The one and only quality that truly makes a difference for the trader is the ability to see the opportunity here and now and grab it as soon as possible. This is what helps you achieve all the things listed above and more. Analysis is very, very important in Forex, but sometimes you just need to trust your gut and go for it, because while you are sitting at your desk working up courage to make a decision, others are making money already. Why not you? Why not now? The only thing you need to finally start making profit on Forex markets is Magnum Scalper. You see, most traders utilize the same strategy they found years ago and fully rely upon it. For them, it is the only way they know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Well, not exactly. The market changes every day. Even if you can't see it, new things are constantly introduced to the trading world, and those who can't keep up lose this race. Luckily for you, today you can get a game changer. With this trick up your sleeve, you will become invincible. I am talking about the biggest secret of Magnum Scalper, Neuro Smart technology. This algorithm starts calculating entry and exit points for you once you load it on the chart. It focuses on the current conditions, only without unnecessary analysis of the setting, which is no longer of use to you. This makes Magnum Scalper the most precise scalping Forex tool on today's market. Let's see how it works. When a new signal is generated, an MT4 alert pops up with all the information needed. You enter the trade with the data you've been given, and when the desirable take profit level is reached, you exit the trade and wait for the next signal. As easy as that. And these are the results that are possible with Magnum Scalper. These 4 trades on Euro to New Zealand dollar M1 time frame brought in a quick profit of 53 pips. Amazing speed on M5 time frame, British pound to Japanese yen, 32, 41, and 38 pips. And finally, trades on Euro to Canadian dollar M15 time frame resulted in total profit of 170 pips. It's overwhelming, I know. Changing the way you live may seem hard. How can I, an ordinary guy with an ordinary job, start making money on Forex? Is that even possible? I don't know where to begin. First, fear not, my friend. It is indeed possible. For millions of people all over the world, Forex is the primary source of income. Why can't you be one of those people? You most certainly can. With the right tools at your disposal, you will reach that goal in no time. Let Magnum Scalper be that tool for you. I know it is scary, and I know it is difficult, but the only thing that you need to do to take that leap of faith is realize who you are doing it for. Think about your family for just one moment. Don't you think they deserve it? A better life? The opportunity to spend more time together? Better accommodation? Education? Job prospects? Of course they do. And you deserve it too. Start your new life today. Get Magnum Scalper right now.